Reflexive pronouns in English. A quick guide with examples. A reflexive pronoun is a type of pronoun used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. It shows that the action is reflected back to the person or thing doing it. Here's a list of all the reflexive pronouns for you to learn. First person singular is myself. Second person singular is yourself. Third person singular is himself, herself, or itself. First person plural is ourselves. Second person plural is yourselves. And third person plural is themselves. Reflexive pronouns can be singular or plural, and it's easy to tell which is which. If a reflexive pronoun ends in self, it is singular. If it ends in selves, it is plural. They are important because if we remove the reflexive pronoun, the sentence doesn't make sense. For example, I've given a few more hours to finish the invoices. Given who a few more hours? If we add a reflexive pronoun, I've given myself a few more hours to finish the invoices. Now the sentence makes sense. Using a different pronoun makes the sentence non-reflexive. It's still correct, but refers to someone else. For example, I made myself breakfast is reflexive as the subject and object are the same. However, I made him breakfast is non-reflexive as the subject and object are different. Let's see some real-life examples. I'm so proud of myself. You should be ashamed of yourself for picking on younger kids. What a poser. He loves himself. She can't dance. She's embarrassing herself. Thank goodness the weather is behaving itself. We are pleased with ourselves for making Mum a lovely cake. Don't you go hurting yourselves up there. They must have enjoyed themselves at the playground. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.